if you notice, I've not really been consistent on YouTube. It's not something I'm proud of because YouTube has been my favorite platform since I started content creation as a whole. My favorite, my most consistent platform. But of recent, I have been away. Not that it was planned, it's just happened. I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that happened while I was away as a content creator and as a business owner and business coach. Alright, so on this day I had an appointment for microblading. I needed to microblade my eyebrow because I needed something that each time I want to create content or have a consultation section, I won't go about trying to draw my eyebrow and the rest of it. So I decided to go for this, and this was the first step. Then the second step was applying this nut cream. At first, I didn't feel any pain. I was like, wow, so this is that easy. So why haven't I been doing it until I started? So this was the next stage, like the fourth stage. And I was like, is this how my brows are going to look like? I wasn't okay until I went for the fifth section, which they have to do the filling so it becomes darker. It was painful, I must tell you, but see me now still trying to create content for you guys to keep you guys posted. That is Mary, the person that actually did my microblading at Lucky's Glam. Then I don't know what this is called, but they actually applied this. I almost got scared, but I didn't because I already saw a prank on Instagram concerning this. So I have to use this time to do my video. And here is the final stage. This thing is so beautiful, and for the past months that I have had this on, it has been very, very easy for me to just set up and create content, have consultation, do all my China importation business thing, consultation, training, and also importing for people. Being a content creator and a business owner, working from home is not easy. So I got home, my sister got me this gift. She called it my introduction gift, and it's customized with my name, Rachael. I love it so much. So this was day 2. Yeah, this was day 2 after I did the microblading. I was giving aftercare. I applied it on it. It was looking still fine, but my face was pumped a bit. My eyes were swollen, and this was day 3. Yes, I slept and no, this wasn't day 3. This was like actually day 4. I slept and woke up, started peeling. At this point, I wasn't comfortable. This period, I didn't create content because even going out for my physical classes, I started using glasses from Z Plus stores because I felt that was going to cover it, which it did. You have to come closer to me before you see what is there. It was a moment for me. So I had a physical China importation class with a student, and it was fun. Then the next day, like a week later, I had another consultation with another student outside of my environment, and I still tie my hair. I use glasses. The essence of the glasses was to protect, to make it not obvious, make the microblading, peeling off, the healing process, right, not obvious. And it was a thing for me, right? It was a thing. I at some point I felt uncomfortable because people kept asking what is wrong with your eyebrow, and it was a moment I had a lot of physical consultation, one-on-one consultation, and I can't just sit back because I did my eyebrow. No, I have to go out like that with it. It was a moment for me. Hello guys, good morning. So we are starting the vlog today. Yeah, starting the vlog. It's been a while I did vlog, so I decided to show vlogging on this channel. That was my voice, my face. I don't spoke up. So my dad just revealed to go just stuff based on this week. So So if you're new to the channel, my name is Rachael Brian. I am a China importation coach, a content creator, a content creation coach too. So I teach people on China importation how to start up a business and how to monetize your content, your skill, your knowledge. So this was another day with my students. She actually came all the way from Benin for this class, and it was fun. At the end of my class, I have to go out and spend some time with the men in my life. That's my brother, and he was my boyfriend, now my husband. It was a moment for us. So we went to an African restaurant, Jevnik, where they serve African dishes, African delicacy. Can you see the table cover? It's made of Ankara. It was my husband now, then my boyfriend or my fiance, and my brother. At this point, we were waiting for the meal. We ordered for afang soup. If you don't know what afang soup is an Akwa Ibom delicacy that is made of okazi and water leaf. Yes, just search for what okazi is. So this is it. It was see the protein in this soup. It was like they used one bottle of oil in preparing a plate of soup. As my brother eating, God, I want to come back here. I really have to come back here. See this soup? I couldn't eat. Like, I'm not really I'm not big on food. I don't eat much. So I was just diverging the protein, eating them one by one. But the soup was still there. It was sweet. It was sweeter than the one I prepared. Then it was another day to go house though. It was content creation day. I needed to shoot content for a brand. So I was walking down to the place. The place is closer to where I am. I decided to step down and make some videos for you guys to know what has been happening behind the scene. So just me, what did I miss?